After spending the holidays in Nassau, we were so eager to head south to the Exumas. I'm Lauren.
I'm Rob, and our furry crew members, Callie and Zora.
We left our home in Colorado to set sail on our 44-foot catamaran, Kelpie. Join the Kelpie crew and watch us go wherever the wind may blow. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button below to see more videos every Sunday. Before we leave Nassau, we needed to stop to fill up on fuel. Docking the boat anywhere can be pretty stressful for us. Because this dock was a lot higher than our boat, I was mainly concerned about the placement of our fenders. This boat is trying to come in, and I think we're in the way.
Yeah, we want you to just wait here.
Huh?
We want you to just wait here.
Watch out for the back.
Yeah, I see that. Hey, you can't just tie us right here and throw it in?
Right to the end, son. I want to dive right to the end.
And a tire.
Yeah, it's not a problem, mate. It's not going to be anywhere. It's not a problem.
What?
It's not a problem. It's only a tile. It won't do any damage. It's only a tile. It's not a problem.
It's a fender.
That's all it is. That's all it is. It's not a problem.
It'll keep us from hitting the dock. As long as we don't hit it with our prop.
Right to the very end, son.
Where's that boat going?
They're coming back.
Yeah, turn around. Are they trying to dock right there?
Get started. It's going to bow it up so much, son. Right, guys. It's going to bow in.
It's too big of a boat.
Starting, yeah.
It's too big, they can't move.
Can't maneuver it like that.
Big problems.
Yeah.
Lauren, watch the fenders. How are we doing?
You know, son. You know, I'll take it. Very much. Good job. There we go. You're doing a good job, buddy. Just like that. Nice and easy. No
Oh yeah, I'm
worries.
gonna eat.
Don't do it. Wrist will break so easy. Oh, you're strong. Take it. Camping. You cannot push this boat off to the sky. If you can do it, you won't do it. That's what you would do.
I'll break your arm.
Hey, the boat is tough enough to take a little licking. All right, boss, you can back it up. I got you. That's perfect. Yeah, man. You don't want to sprain your wrist.
I already did.
Let the boat do what it do. Nobody sprain, man.
I won't. Not even him?
Not even him.
Not even him.
Let the boat do what it do.
I will.
If the boat slams to the dockside, it will not damage your boat. See that she's trying? It won't. She won't be able to stop that. So let the boat just lay, and then we go from there. I'll take your stern, sir. Yeah, these guys, they didn't get stern in. You see? So yeah, dog.
You pay his captain enough.
No, but I don't think you could bog it in, man. Yeah. I don't think so. You know? I don't think so.
sailed 70 miles from Nassau to ELEUTHERA. The Queen's Baths are a collection of natural pools on the Atlantic side of ELEUTHERA.
It's like a tidal cave. Callie, what are you doing? She's just walking along in the water. Oh, no, scared of the water. Oh, you're gonna fall in. So it's like, don't put me near it.
After exploring the Queen's Bath, we continued on sailing a little further south. We anchored the boat next to Cupid's Key, a small island attached to ELEUTHERA. We took the paddleboard to shore to explore Cupid's Key.
You can't see through the street, so put it over there. There's glass, so please, like, there's glass everywhere. Be careful.
Okay, get off now.
After exploring around town, we knew we had to get back to the boat to prepare for some bad weather coming into the night. With a storm of 40-mile-an-hour winds and heavy rain, we needed to make sure all the hatches were closed on the boat and everything was put away inside.
So we got a pretty serious storm going on. Lauren's asleep downstairs, well, laying there for now. I'm just watching, our anchor alarm, making sure everything's stable. I'm sure we don't move. I don't think we will. That 105-pound anchor is pretty heavy. Plus we got a good bit of chain out. It's not that deep of water. We do have some land around us, so it's a little bit of a concern. We've had some pretty big shifts back and forth. You see the lightning's definitely going. Obviously it's a scary thing, but not as scary as it has been before. I guess this is just the cost of being in paradise.
Thanks for watching, and stay tuned next week if you want to see me conquer my fear and swim with the sharks.